Check out the 2020 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, braking assist, power brakes, autonomous braking, rear view camera, leather trim seats, airbags, front knee. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
We've been serving North Texas since 1978. We've built our business for nearly 40 years on treating our customers right. Are here for you for the life of your vehicle. The next time you're looking for a new or pre-owned vehicle, come visit our family at James Wood Decatur.